Oh, hey friends, welcome to a new video. How are you doing? Thank you so much for clicking in. Guys, this here is homemade creamy tiger nut milk, the best you can ever make, and it's easy to make, guys. I've been making tiger nut milk for nearly 8 years now, and I found it's one of the best things I've added to my diet. It's high in prebiotic fiber and also super delicious and creamy. Now, I usually use my blender to make it and squeeze the whole thing out using a nut milk bag. I've got a video showcasing how I do it, but this video I decided to squeeze it using my juicer. Now, not every juicer will do this job that the Angel is doing. So if you don't have a juicer, it's fine. Just use your blender. But I'm just experimenting, and I wanted to share with you how effective this blend, this juicer could squeeze the milk out of the pulp. I think I found it difficult to actually crush the nuts using this juicer, so that was a no-no for me. And guys, this is no ad for the Angel juicer. It's just my experience with a juicer that I have, and I want to show you now. See the pulp of this nut, it's so dry. I wouldn't be able to squeeze this thing this dry by myself. That's one of the benefits of using this juicer to extract the milk. But also I wanted to really see, was this juicer gonna get rid of all the milk fiber and all the prebiotic fiber that we want from this milk? After extracting it, I just used a nut milk bag to ensure there weren't any pulp or anything left in the juice before storing it. Now, these little trays here are like silicone ice cube trays and ice lolly trays I always use to preserve my milk. When I make it, I do this once a week, put it in the freezer, and we enjoy it throughout the week. The kids have cereal once or twice a week at the most. And also, if you want your tea or anything, just add this plant milk. No issues with lactose intolerance, and also good prebiotic fiber in there for you. And it's getting warmer now, so this is what we use. Now, the pulp, I decided to add some more water to it and see exactly if it was going to have any cream left in it, because the juice had actually, in my opinion, done a great job. So let's see how creamy or not creamy this residue will be. And voila, to my surprise, I was actually blown away, because this thing is quite light. It means that the juicer did a great job that my blender alone wouldn't have done. But it's too much hassle using a juicer and a blender, so I don't think I'll be doing this moving forward. But look at the difference. Can you see how different it is? This is so light, and this is so creamy. But the thing I wanted to share with you, the ones you buy in the shops are probably this light, this dilute. Yes, look at the pack of all your plant-based milk, and it will tell you, let's say for instance, almond, your favorite Alpro soya milk or whatever, 1% or 2%, and this is like ridiculous. Whereas here we have a good percentage of plant milk, no binders, no additives, no preservatives. We just know it's plant milk, dates, a bit of cinnamon and water, and then I have little pop left at the end of the day. So guys, have you enjoyed this video? Has it added any value to you? Has it encouraged you to go out there, make your own plant milk? If it has, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please kindly subscribe to our video and also share this video to your loved ones. Until next time, bye.